Hello Kuwait, hello Philippines, hello Middle East, and hello world. This is Miss Marjorie from ICSA and welcome po sa live update natin ngayon. Nandito po ako sa Kuwait City, Malia branch at samahin niyo po ako dito sa classroom po natin. So tanong ko lang po sa inyo mga kabayan, kung gusto niyo po maging office ready sa modern panahon ngayon, ito na ang pagkakataon mo. So, dito po sa classroom po natin, may mga students po kami na nag-classroom ngayon for graphics, computer secretarial, at iba pa pong mga courses. So, for now po, focus po natin is computer secretarial integrated with artificial intelligence training po. So, alam niyo ba po, computer secretarial and admin roles continue to be highly in demand worldwide. Mula office corporates, offices, schools, hanggang embassies. They are digital professionals, experts in organizations, communications, at productivity gamit ng AI tools. Ngayon, sa course na ito, ang mga matutunan nyo ay Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint, typing data, entry, and marami pa pong iba. No computer background, no problem. Walang age limit, walang educational requirement, open for all. In just 4 months, you'll receive a certificate from ICSA, which is CPT accredited na po in the UK, na pwedeng gamitin locally or internationally. Flexible ang schedule po namin, so pwede po tayo mag-attend once a week, twice a week, or 3 times a week po, depende yan sa availability nyo. Anytime, any day, as long as within office timings po namin. Open po ito for face-to-face and online class. Take note na lang po na ang face-to-face class po namin is available lang po dito sa Kuwait. Whether you're planning to work abroad, apply to top companies, or start a new career path, this course is the perfect first step for confident and competent you. So, salamat po ulit sa mga nanonood. For more details po, pwede po tayo mag-comment down below or pwede po tayo mag-direct message sa mga lovely staff po namin for more inquiries. Ako po ulit si Miss Marjorie with ICSA, your partner in success. Ay, pwede din po kayo mag-message sa WhatsApp number po namin, +965 6680 3540. Sige po, salamat po sa ulitin.